Thank you for choosing the Schoolpage learning program. For a smooth and hassle-free experience of Schoolpage Live online tutoring, it is important for you to check the readiness of your computer. Here are the system requirements. Computer with a Windows or an Apple operating system and a headset with microphone, high-speed broadband internet connection with a minimum speed of 1 Mbps, latest version of Mozilla Firefox or Apple Safari browser with Adobe Shockwave Flash Player, Java and Java Deployment Toolkit plugins enabled. Once you have enrolled with Schoolpage learning program, you will receive a mail which has a link. Click on the hyperlink in your mail and you will be taken to the testing platform. This platform will test your system and devices for the WizIQ virtual classroom. These tests ensure that your system meets the basic technical requirements to successfully run or attend a live class on WizIQ. If any test fails, then follow the on-screen suggestions to resolve the issue. If you are using browser other than Mozilla Firefox, like for example Chrome, you will receive pop-ups on the top of the screen asking permission by Adobe Flash Player to enable extra features on your system. Click on Yes and the same will be installed onto your system. Now let us test the system. The first test is for the system configuration. Test your system's compatibility for Flash Player, browser, operating system and port settings. The system configuration requirements are specified in this table. On the right hand side of the screen, results of the tests are displayed. The platform automatically tests your system and displays the result. The features which have passed the test show passed message in green color with a tick mark. If any test fails, the same will be indicated in the red color. Follow the on-screen suggestions to resolve the issue. Once you have completed this, click on the Test Again button and confirm that your system has passed all these tests. The second test is for internet speed. Test your internet speed for WizIQ Virtual Classroom. A high-speed broadband internet connection with a minimum speed of 1 Mbps is recommended. Further, given in the table are the internet connection speed based on specific requirements in a virtual classroom. Like, if it is only an audio session, then the minimum speed required is 44 kbps and the suggested speed for better experience would be 256 kbps. Similarly, the requirements differ for different scenarios as listed in the table. On the right hand side, the test results are displayed. Test again by clicking on the Test Again button and confirm that your internet speed meets the requirements. Moving on, we can see the test for screen sharing. Test the availability and compatibility of Java plugin version required to share your screen in the virtual classroom. Note that Java plugin is required only if you are a presenter. Attendees and viewers do not need to install the Java plugin. The test result for Java plugin is displayed on the right hand side and is indicated as failed in the red color. To install the same, click on the Install Later Java plugin button and the same will be installed onto your system. After installation, test again and confirm. The next test is for system devices like speaker, microphone and camera. To test these devices, allow WizIQ to access your camera and microphone by clicking on Allow button and closing this small window. By doing this, you will enable the tests. The first test is the speaker test. Test your speakers for virtual classroom. You can do this by clicking on the Test Speaker button which is displayed on the screen, and when you click on this, you can hear a music in the background. If you can hear the music, it indicates that your speakers are working fine. This ensured the speakers of this system I am using is fine. If you cannot hear the music, check your headphone or speakers and test again. The second test is for the microphone. First, select your preferred audio device from the drop-down menu, Microphone, and observe the movement of the green light over the scale behind. This green light over the scale indicates that the microphone is working proper. Further, you can test your microphone by clicking on Test Microphone button. On doing this, you can hear your own voice and also the echo of your voice. If you do not hear your voice, ensure that you have selected the correct mic from the drop-down list, or you are not using the mic in some other application. If the microphone list is empty, you need to install a driver for your microphone that is compatible with your system. The next is a test for camera. Test the compatibility of your web camera. If your camera is not connected, you will receive a message on screen in the red colored text. Observe the text here in the red color. It tells that the camera is not installed on this system. In that case, connect your camera and refresh the page. On refreshing, the VisIQ will again ask your permission to gain access over your devices. Click on the Allow button and proceed with the tests. Now I have connected the camera and I am refreshing the page. It's getting refreshed. You can see that VisIQ is again asking permission to get access for your system and microphone. Click on Allow and close it. Now proceed with the tests. Once you have refreshed the page and given access to the VisIQ to use the camera and the microphone, you can watch the video on screen. This ensures that your camera is working fine. If you are still not able to see the video, then make sure that you have selected the right camera from the drop-down menu. And also, check the compatibility of your camera with the flash player. Also check that you're not using the camera in any other application. If the camera list is empty, then you need to install a driver for your webcam that is compatible with the flash. Once you have done all these tests, save the settings and complete the process. By clicking on the Save Settings button, you ensure that your system is ready for VisIQ Virtual Classroom. If you are not able to resolve the issues and need further help, please contact our technical support team immediately at tech@schoolpage.me. Thank you for choosing Schoolpage.